Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing this beauty here, the PackTowl Personal Body Towel. Well, that was funny. I plan on using this for an upcoming trip on which I have to bring a towel, but I don't want to bring a huge towel, and this towel is perfect for just that. So let's get into some specifications of this thing. There are different sizes, and this is the personal body size. There is also face one. You can see the sizes here. A hand towel. The body towel is 25 by 54 inches or 64 by 137 centimeters, and only 6.4 ounces or 181 grams in weight, which is not a lot. It's like almost 2 bars of chocolate, like standard chocolate. And there's also a bigger one, the beach towel, which is obviously bigger and heavier. And the special thing about this is that this soft fabric, and it feels like the towel I use in my kitchen, but even thinner and less fluffy. So I'm very interested to try it out. So it says here, absorbency, soft fabric absorbs its weight 4 times its weight in water, which is quite nice. And super fast drying, dries 70% faster than comparable cotton towels. And let's see if we find the material. Here it says polygene silver ion. I don't even know how to pronounce that, but I think it's a great towel. So let's try and open it. I took this this pattern because it's a bit different than just a single colored towel, which I didn't really want because I thought, yeah, it's maybe gonna be boring after some time. Alright, so we have the towel here. If we can get it out, here we go, and the towel is out. There's also, I saw that here, what do we have to do to get this out? Nothing. Alright, we have a little bag here in which we can put the towel in. And I think if we do like this, almost fits. We have to do it a little smaller to fit in here, but it definitely should fit in here. Definitely. So yeah, let's have this away, and let's have, it says here, odor free, this polygene, not sure how to pronounce it. Whoop. And let's have the towel open. Let's see. Oh, it's so thin, but it's a great size. It's not like tiny. And up here we have like a little strap to put it somewhere to dry or whatever. The other side, I want to show that as well. The other side is, it's like a gray or silver, not the best color, and it's kind of shiny. But anyway, I think it's an amazing towel. Let's have this a bit together. I have to do this with 2 hands. Anyway, alright. Well, this was the PackTowl Personal Body Towel. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, consider leaving a like on this video and also subscribe to this channel. Alright, there we go. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.